everyone, welcome to Miss May Bow Studio. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to adhere a vegan leather bow using hot glue. I can adhere my bow using my hot glue gun. For this type of material, it's best to use Gorilla Glue. For best results, heat to 200 degrees Celsius. Prep your material by flipping it over and give it a quick dab of glue. Now you can place the material in position for adhering by lining up the two flaps. I'll check to make sure the flaps match, overlapping in the same place, and then adhere or stick the two sides together. Simply flip it over and glue down any remainder pieces as required for your design. To wrap your bow, simply cut a rectangle with scissors out of your faux leather. And just like that, this bow is done and ready to go. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more hair accessory tutorials and ideas.